Starlight Night Vision. With a Starlight CMOS sensor, 1080p Full HD high resolution presents up to 33 feet crystal and sharp images and videos even at night. Free rolling 7-day cloud storage. Event videos are securely uploaded to SD card or Reolink cloud via end-to-end encryption. Live view and playback the cloud video of the past 7 days for free. Smart PIR motion detection and remote control via Wi-Fi. Reolink Cam automatically records event video and push notifications, email alerts, sound alarms when detects motion. Battery, solar-powered, wireless easy installation, it takes 5 minutes to set all up. Reolink 2-year warranty. With a durable and long-lasting design, it can be used for years of reliable outdoor-indoor use. We provide 2 years guarantee and 30 days free return if any unsatisfactory. Top reviews from the United States. I did a lot of online research, like over a period of a few months, looking for reasonably priced, battery-operated, outdoor Wi-Fi security cameras that would record and alert without buying a subscription and without using the cloud. I even looked at trail cameras used primarily for hunting. So glad I found these. They satisfy all my requirements and more. I have gone through the entire setup process. The only thing I have yet to do is actually affix them to their permanent locations outside my house. 2 cameras total, 1 in front and 1 in back. Once I do that I will update my review if necessary, but for now, 5 stars. I've set everything up, both an app on my phone and a client on my laptop, all connected to the cameras, everything works. That alone is pretty cool, because I tend to have my shortcomings in dealing with technology. So far I am really happy.